So here's how you can subscribe to a calendar on the iPhone. Let me show you the whole process step by step. So if this is your first time on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you that way never miss anything important. So of course, you open up your Apple Calendar app and you can get inside this like all calendars view by clicking the button below. And at the bottom, you can click on add a new one. So this gives you the ability to add like a holiday calendar, perhaps from a different region. But you can also click on add a subscription calendar, which is likely the thing you have in mind. And now you are supposed to paste in the URL. So the way that it works is that somebody might have a public calendar, which they share to you over the internet. You find it somewhere as a link, and this is where you need to paste it so it actually shows up and becomes part of your calendar app. So you can always just see the events there. So that's how you can add this. It's not really anything complicated. That's how it works. But if you just want to subscribe or get shared through like different calendars with other people, it works a bit differently because you just have to have it like set up on both devices. For example, in one, you just create a new calendar and click on share, and you just added the person from your contacts, and if the other person will be able to accept it or decline it, right? So that's how it would work. You would basically get this like news in here, like the invitations, and in it there, you basically can accept it and added this to your calendar. So that's how it works if you want to just share it and subscribe to calendars with like other people. So that is the principle behind it. So I really hope that I can help you out with it. I hopefully helped you to set that up. So thanks a lot for watching. Let me know what you think about it below, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming videos as well.